Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have not just one but two big announcements that I'm beyond excited to share with you guys. Now, whether you're a regular here or you just happen to stumble upon this channel, I've got some really exciting stuff to share. Before we get into that, first things first, 10,000 subscribers. Wow. Thank you so much for being a part of this amazing community. Every like, every comment, every share has really helped me grow this channel into an amazing hub for life sound engineering, and none of that would have been possible without you guys. So thank you so much. Creating high quality content takes a ton of time and energy, and let's be real, a lot of equipment as well, which is why I'm so excited to announce that I've now launched channel memberships. Now, this is your chance to become a core part of this community, to be able to support the things you love, lifestyle engineering that is, and to also get some unique perks in return. Now, let me break it down for you. I've created 3 membership tiers, and each one is packed with exclusive benefits that will help you grow even faster in your life sound journey. So with channel membership, you get priority replies to your comments and questions in my videos. That simply means if you have any burning questions and you put it out in the comment section of my videos, with channel membership, you guarantee it that I'll definitely get back to you on those questions. Now, you also get access to member-only polls. This is where you get to help decide future video topics, and member-only posts where you are able to have access to behind the scenes look at what I'm working on next. Plus, you get early access to my regular videos. Just think of this as your backstage pass into the inner workings of the channel. Depending on what channel membership tier you join, you also get exclusive access to members only video. Now, these members only videos, I'll dive into advanced topics, be able to tackle specific questions, and provide in-depth explanations and troubleshooting tips. Think of the members only videos as follow-up to my regular videos based on your comments and questions. What I mean is, if I post my regular videos and you've got some questions and comments that I feel worth making another video just to address, I'll definitely make those videos just for channel members alone. And that's not all. You also get access to monthly live Q&A sessions where we can talk shop, answer all your burning questions, and also be able to share advice on improving your live sound setups. It's like having a direct line with me every month. And for those of you who really want to level up your game, I've created the Master Engineer tier. Yeah, I came up with that name. This is the ultimate membership. So on top of everything I've listed as perks for channel members, you also get exclusive access to my online course. Yes, I do have an online course, which I will get to later on in this video. And you also have access to monthly one-on-one consultations where we can go over your live sound projects together. Now, for the Master Engineer tier, you also have the chance to be featured in collaborative content on the channel. Imagine being part of this channel and sharing your own live sound experience with the community. That would be pretty neat, right? Here's why this membership means so much to me, and to you as well. With your support, I can access the audio equipment you want, which simply means better tutorials, more in-depth reviews, and faster content creation. I see lots of comments from you guys asking me to make videos about certain stuff, certain kind of mixers, equalizers, and certain things like that. With channel membership, gives me the opportunity to be able to lay my hands on these equipment and make those videos for you, which I enjoy doing. Now, by joining channel memberships, you're not just supporting the channel, you're helping to shape the future of live sound education here in this channel. Now, here's to the second exciting news I want to share with you guys. I've been working on something huge behind the scenes, and today I'm officially announcing the launch of my brand new course, The Fundamentals of Live Audio Engineering. Now, this course is for all of you out there, whether you're a beginner trying to figure out where to start, or you're a volunteer helping out at your church or your local community, or even if you're a professional just looking to level up your live sound engineering game. There is value for everyone in this course. Now, I've seen it time and time again where churches, where organizations, or even some people, they hire professionals to come in. They spend a lot of money and bring in these people just for a quick fix, and everything sounds great for a while though, But as soon as the professionals leave, very soon things fall apart. I know this because I've been part of those professionals that have been invited to churches and to places like this. And the reason why this cycle repeats itself because volunteers don't have in-depth knowledge to keep things running. And so the cycle repeats. You call in another professional, spend more money, and then after a while things break. The volunteers still don't know how to be able to handle this. The sound, and they don't have the tools in terms of knowledge and skills to be able to fix problems on their own. Another challenge I've noticed, and this is coming from someone who had to learn a lot about life sound engineering on my own at the beginning of my journey, it's the issue I find is there are lots of content online on YouTube especially, but there is no clear path to follow. So beginners especially who wants to learn live audio engineering don't even know what to look for because there really isn't any clear path. Lots of advanced stuff, lots of jargons online. This is where the fundamentals of live audio engineering comes in. I built this course to break that cycle, to give you a step-by-step path to mastering live sound. So you don't have to rely on outside help whenever something goes wrong, and you don't have to rely on getting random information. This course will meet you wherever you are in your skill level and take you to the next level. From setup to live mixing to troubleshooting on the fly, this course will equip you with everything you need to confidently run sound for any event. So no more guessing, no more scrambling, just clear, structured learning. Now, the course hasn't launched yet, but here's the exciting part. I'm opening up the waitlist today, and trust me, you want to be on that wait list. Those on the wait list will get early access to the course before anyone else, because when I eventually launch the course, I'm going to open it up to those on the wait list first. And if you sign up for the wait list, you lock in a special 30% discount just for joining the wait list. And I'll also be throwing in some exclusive bonus content like downloadable sound checklist and troubleshooting guides, just for waitlist members. So whether you're ready to support the channel through memberships and unlock some incredible perks, or you want to take your sound engineering skills to the next level with my new course, this is your moment. Click that join button below, become part of the crew, and help me to continue creating the best live sound content out here on YouTube. And for the course, I've put a link in the description to join the waitlist for you to lock in your early access, exclusive discounts, and bonus materials. Don't miss out on mastering the art of live sound. Thank you again for helping me hit 10,000 subscribers. I couldn't have done this without you, and I'm so excited for what's next. Until then, keep the sound crisp and the mixes clean. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.